Hello everyone, this is Abhay Kumar from Designs by Arya. In this video, we shall look about 4D printing, its applications and how it works in detail. 3D printing technology has existed for almost 30 years now. Yet while the additive manufacturing industry is still discovering new applications, new materials and new printers, another technologies are rising. Skylar Tibbets, the founder and director of Self-Assembly Lab at MIT, is shaping the next development, which he calls the 4D printing. Yes, you heard it right, 4-dimensional printing. This emerging technology will allow us to print objects that then reshape themselves or self-assemble over time. So what is self-assembly? Self-assembly is the process by which disordered parts build an ordered structure through only local interaction. Was that confusing? Well, watch this video till end to easily understand about 4D printing. What is 4D printing? 4D printing is the process through which a 3D printed object transforms itself into another structure over the influence of external energy input. The energy can be in the form of temperature, light, or other environmental stimuli. The purpose of this project is to combine technology and design to invent material technologies for construction, manufacturing, product assembly, and performance. Think about a printed cube that folds before your eyes. In this video, we see a flat printed structure that once placed in hot water slowly folds itself into another structure. It is the test from MIT Self-Assembly Laboratory demonstrating the functionality of shape transformation. Amazing, right? What is the difference between 3D printing and 4D printing? Obviously 4D printing has one dimension more than 3D printing. So why does this bring so much added value to the technology? Let's see. 3D printing is about repeating a 2D structure layer by layer in a print path from the bottom to the top until a 3D volume is created. 4D printing is referred to as 3D printing transforming over time. For example, a 4D printed gripper grabs an object when the temperature is optimal. Hence, a 4D printed object is printed just like any 3D printed shape. The difference is that the 4D printing technology uses programmable and advanced materials that perform a different functionality by adding hot water, light, or heat. How does 4D printing work? 4D printing technology uses commercial 3D printers such as PolyJet 3D printers, but the input is a smart material that can be either a hydrogen or a shape memory polymer, thanks to the thermomechanical properties and other material properties of smart materials. This flowchart breaks down the steps involved in 3D printing and 4D printing. Once 3D printed, the input material forms into a static structure. Interaction of external stimuli makes it into a dynamic intelligent structure. Now, how to control this stimulation? Well, softwares can help us with that. MIT's Self-Assembly Lab is working with Autodesk on a software called Project Cyborg. This allows us to simulate the self-assembly behavior and try to optimize which parts are folding when. Experts believe that we can use same software for human-scale self-assembly systems too. Let us look into the applications of 4D printing. The most obvious advantage of 4D printing is that through computational folding, objects larger than the printer can be printed. This helps in building self-assembly furniture. Since 3D printed furniture is limited by the size of the printer, 4D printing could allow us to just print a flat board that will curl up into a chair by just adding water or light to it. Imagine one potential application of 4D printing in the real world would be pipes of plumbing system that dynamically change their diameter in response to the flow rate and water demand. Pipes that could possibly heal themselves automatically if they crack or break. Well, MIT's Self-Assembly Lab is working closely with a company called Geosyntec to make this application work. 4D printing could change the face of fashion. One of the ideas is that clothing could change accordingly to the weather or the activity. For instance, shoes can change their shape when you start running to provide you with better comfort. 4D printing has endless scope in architecture, design and construction industry. Innovative smart materials with more efficient functions could be achieved in the future. It is already used in designing spacecrafts, and we could soon see 4D printed structures in the outer space. In medical industry, it is used to design stents. Well, the list goes on. The last question you would ask is, can I start 4D printing at home? Well, all the potential applications of 4D printing seems very inspiring and promising for the future. All the research conducted so far around 3D printed material properties has a lot to offer to the additive manufacturing industry and certainly contributes to its growth. Even if we are at the very beginning of the 4D printing technology, it will have a great impact in the future of additive manufacturing just like 3D printing. 4D printing still requires more research and development and it's not available for everyone. 3D printing, however, is right in your computer. Cool. That is all I have for you, and I hope that you know about 4D printing now. Thank you for watching this video and do share it to your friends and family.